Ever find yourself rereading notes endlessly, only to feel like the information just isn't sticking when it comes to exam time? It is a common challenge for many students, especially when facing a mountain of material. Well, the secret to solidifying that knowledge and making it truly your own often lies in a surprisingly simple yet powerful tool: flashcards. To make flashcards for studying exams, you essentially create small, double-sided cards with a question or prompt on one side and its corresponding answer or definition on the other. This method transforms passive review into active learning. Flashcards are incredibly effective because they tap into two powerful learning principles: active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall means actively retrieving information from your memory, which strengthens neural pathways. Spaced repetition means reviewing information at increasing intervals, ensuring long-term retention by challenging your brain just as you are about to forget. Let us break down exactly how to create flashcards that truly supercharge your study sessions. First, decide on your format. While physical index cards are classic, digital flashcard applications like Anki or Quizlet offer fantastic features for spaced repetition. Next, and this is key, commit to one piece of information per card. For example, if you are studying history, one side might present the prompt, "Main cause of World War I." And the other side would state, "Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand." Resist the urge to cram multiple facts onto a single card. For the question side, make it a concise prompt that forces your brain to recall. Think of it as a mini quiz. Avoid vague questions. On the answer side, keep it brief and to the point. You want to quickly confirm if your recall was accurate, not get lost in a paragraph of text. Do not just copy your textbook word for word. Rephrase information in your own words to ensure deeper understanding. Consider adding a small image or diagram to a card if it helps clarify a complex concept. Visuals can be powerful memory aids. Once your flashcards are made, the magic happens in the review. Use a system. With physical cards, the Lightner system is popular, where you move cards you know well into boxes that get reviewed less frequently. Digital apps automate this entire process for you, showing you cards based on an optimized spaced repetition algorithm. An insider tip for making your flashcards even more potent is to create them yourself, rather than relying solely on pre-made sets. The very act of synthesizing information and formulating your own questions and answers deepens your understanding for more than passively reading someone else's. It is like the Feynman technique in miniature, where you teach the concept to yourself by breaking it down. This active creation process is often overlooked but provides a significant boost to your learning. By embracing the simple yet profound method of flashcards, focusing on one concept per card, and actively recalling information through spaced repetition, you will not just memorize facts. You will build a robust understanding of your subject matter, turning exam preparation from a daunting task into an empowering journey toward true mastery and confidence.